This morning, we're learning more about the man accused of assassinating conservative political activist Charlie Kirk last week in Utah. The suspect, Tyler Robinson, made his first court appearance virtually yesterday. Officials formally charged him on 7 different counts, and prosecutors confirmed they're now seeking the death penalty. They also revealed text messages between the suspect and his roommate following the shooting. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman joins us once again. So much detail emerged in those texts from the suspect. So just break it down for us. What did we learn inside and outside of the courtroom yesterday?
Yeah, good morning, Errol. We are actually right outside the jail that Tyler Robinson is in and where he appeared at that hearing from, because he was virtual yesterday. But we learned a lot of details, especially at this press conference yesterday afternoon, about the exchanges that he had after Charlie Kirk was killed. There was this text exchange with his roommate, who's also his romantic partner. In one, he tells them to look under his keyboard, and there is a note, Errol, and it says, "I had the opportunity to take out Charlie Kirk, and I'm going to take it." They continue to have this exchange. The roommate expresses shock, disbelief that he had actually done this. Tyler Robinson seems to think that if he's able to go back and get that rifle, that he could get away with this. He says that he hoped to die with this secret. And when he's asked why he did it, he says, "I had enough of his hatred. Some hate can't be negotiated out."
He seemed in those texts more concerned about retrieving a gun from his grandfather, which was so interesting. What's next now in this case?
Errol, so what's next is, first of all, they have to secure representation for him. In Utah County, public defenders don't normally represent defendants in capital cases. So it looks like they may end up getting a couple of law firms. But the next hearing date will be on September 29th, and things work a little bit differently here. There's not a grand jury process. Rather, at this next hearing, the prosecution will have to present evidence to the judge to show that they have probable cause to move forward with this trial. Once the judge determines that they do, there would be an arraignment that would be held, and it's there that Tyler Robinson would be able to plead guilty or not guilty to these allegations against him.
All right, important updates. Katrina Kaufman, thank you, joining us from Utah.